Let's be real. As the mom of an almost 9-month-old, I barely have time to shower, let alone sweep and mop the floor. We already had the Roomba vacuum, and to be honest, I fought my husband on spending the money to buy the wet mop. But oh boy am I glad I did. Anyway, this review should be for the disposable pieces. We like the blue for deep cleaning the kitchen and dining room, where baby makes a mess anytime he even so much as looks in those rooms. The orange ones, again wrong review, but maybe you are looking and comparing, are good too, but we use those for less dirty areas like the hallway. Oh, almost forgot, the blue ones are great for the bathrooms too. Because if I can't pull out the mop, how am I gonna clean the piss off the floor? The disposable pads are great if you're mopping daily. We use these pads primarily for the kitchen, and it does seem to have trouble picking up some of the sticky mess on the floor that collects over a few days. I am sticking with these because I don't like the idea of having to wash reusable pads, but, somehow, I feel these could be better, and they're a tiny bit too expensive to be using daily. These are not as good as the dry white pads for collecting hair. Great for the price. I bought 2 of them. Same as the original ones. Works as described. If you have tough stains though, spot clean first. As advertised. Just received these. They arrived a little late, but worth the wait. Thank you. Item is as described. I always order the for my Braava robot floor cleaner and haven't been disappointed. Click link in description for more reviews.